Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and today let's jump into my Webull account and give you guys an update and kind of go over some stocks in my Webull account, if I'm holding, if I'm selling, what stocks I'm adding to my positions. And I think it'll be a good refresher to see what kind of stocks I made some money on already and my plans for the future on certain stocks too. Now, you'll actually see in the last month, we're up almost $5,000 still. We even were up almost $5,800 at one point, but today was a little bit more of a rough day. You'll actually see GameStop down 9%, AMC down 17%, and after hours, it is trying to make a comeback. It's steadily climbing up almost 5% now, so we'll see how that shakes up, see if it can make a large upward movement in the after hours. We also have companies like Workhorse that I'm sure all you guys are familiar with by now, making 50% upward movements on the day, but it ended at about a 28% gain, but it's still going up after hours. So we'll see how these meme stocks act after hours, and that might be a good indicator that tomorrow might be a green day after the red day that AMC had today and some of the other meme stocks. For example, Bed Bath & Beyond took one of the biggest hits today, down 27%. So we'll see how they can kind of regain exposure. They might be one to consider if you are looking into meme stock investing and you're looking for something to explode. Something like Bed Bath & Beyond just took a 27% dip, so it might be a good time to buy the dip. The volume is not nearly as big as some of the other ones, so it looks like some of the volume died off, indicating that it can go lower. So you definitely want to buy this one. Try to buy this one as close to $20 as possible, or even maybe it can even crash to $15. So definitely don't spend a lot of money on these meme stocks, but you can kind of see they follow patterns. Like a huge spike right here in the beginning of the year. In January, end of January, it spiked to 52, and then it fell all the way to 28, and then it recently spiked again, and now it's falling. So if you want to pick up some shares, this might be a good one to consider looking into. However, not putting too much money in something like this. So here you'll actually see my Webull account pulled up here, and you'll see my assets. My total value is $21,598 on my Webull account. So remember, that's in addition to my Robinhood account. Now, the open profit and loss is $4,000, but if you go to profit and loss, you can see my all-time money that I've already made and taken out is $9,000, right? So we've already made about $10,000 on this account. We have a further $3,000 in profits that we haven't taken out yet. And that's why I like Webull too, is because they show you how much money that you haven't taken out in profits that you can still take out, and then they show you how much your total profit and loss is. And they also show you like your gainers, and we'll go into the losers in a second. You can actually see TDOC is one of my biggest losers, down 193. Dogecoin's my second biggest loser, down $76. So those aren't really big losers that I'm really concerned about. And keep in mind, those are my biggest losers. But if you compare them to my biggest winners, you'll see Revolve, I made $1,000, $1,100. Kirkland's made $1,000. JWN made $800. Dropbox made $600. Wells Fargo made $600. Beyond Meat made $600. CCL made $500. And the list kind of just keeps going on companies that I've made money on. So you can kind of see my Webull account absolutely killing it. We're up over $10,000 overall on a $21,000 account. So that's really good. My profit and loss overall, if you do the percentage, is probably closer to like 80% gains on this account on all of the profits that we've already took. Now you can see that we're actually down $390 on the day because it is a bad day today. So let's go over some of my recent positions. So these are all recent positions that I've just picked up. Webull actually sorts them from your newest to oldest. So as we go down the line, you'll see some of my older positions. And if you like Webull, keep in mind, and you're liking the platform that I'm showing you guys, let me know, because I'll send you a link. You'll get 2 free stocks. And if you sign up using my link, I'll also send you $5 through Venmo or Cash App, so you can get an extra $5 for using my link. So DM me on Instagram if you want to sign up with Webull. If you don't have it yet, if you're a new customer, I'll send you my link. you'll get 2 free stocks plus $5 extra from me also. So first up, we have Fisker. I built an extra position, and keep in mind that this Webull account is more of my private, so I don't really show it off that much. So you guys are kind of getting a sneak peek into one of my private accounts. So Fisker, I have $500, 35 shares. We're up 17% on that. We've only been holding it for a few days. You can actually see right here, I bought it at the 1st of the month. You know, so I bought it on June 1st, and it's like June 3rd right now. We're already up 17%. After that, you have Coinbase. We're up 2.8%. Skills, we just purchased that. Also, we're up 26%, and we just bought that at the end of May. So that's why swing trades are very beneficial, because you don't have to risk that much, especially when you're buying something like Fisker or Skills that's absolutely bottomed out. You're not risking them going much lower if they're already, you know, down 50, 60%, something like Skills or Fisker. So if you buy those companies and swing trade them, you're risking a lot less than day trading or option trading, and you still get those awesome gain potentials. 26% gain, 17% gain on Fisker. SNDL, look at that, 79% gain in just a few days. Also, we bought this one at the end of May, the 24th of May. So just a few weeks, a swing trade in just a few weeks, we're already up 79%, 26%, 17%. And then BNGO is after that. And you can kind of see, I like to use this account, my Webull account, on buying stocks that are bottomed out, that I think, in my opinion, are close to a 52-week low, is what I use my Webull account for. So I'm really good at buying dips on my Webull account, and that's why I'm up $10,000. Okay, and next thing you know, we have BNGO, and we bought that the 24th of May. Also, we're up 16% on that already. BABA, we have 2 shares. We're up 2%, nothing big on that. And I plan on holding most of these for long term to take advantage of the capital gains over 12 months on this account as best as possible. Something like an SNDL, I probably won't hold for 12 months though. You know, I'll probably take my profits and run. But we have Shift after that, up 17%. Bought this on the 24th of May also, and we're already up 17% on that, so that's a good look. And our first down position, we have $800 in Dogecoin, down 10%. But that's okay, because I have a large position in Robinhood that I'm up like 80-something% on Dogecoin. So I just wanted to add to my position, and I was buying in at the dip when it dipped from 60 cents all the way down. My average cost is like 43 cents on that Dogecoin. So overall, I think Dogecoin can go back up to 75 cents. So I'll probably sell it around 60 cents. Just take a small amount of profits on my Dogecoin, get out of the position around 60 or 70 cents on that position. So it'll definitely be green. I'm not worried about that negative at all. Only $84 loss. And everything above that has made up for that little bit of loss there. After that, you see GNOG is down 10%. I have $400 in them, looking to buy a little bit more. I should add to my position. And the good thing about buying bottomed out positions like this Webull account is that I will actually, you know, if I'm down 14%, 10%, 2%, I know it's a good time to add more to the position. So GNOG, I want to add more in. TDOC, I probably won't add more into TDOC. And if you look at my charge point position, I remember when my charge point position was down 14%. Just like TDOC was down, and now it's up 19%, up $271. So it's all about patience, guys. Patience, patience, patience. It's one of the most important things. You guys hear me talking about it all the time in the stock market. It's the way to wealth. Is if your position is down, like TDOC or GNOG is down a little bit, they have great fundamentals, and this is a company that will definitely recover if you just give it some time. I planned, you know, that's why I put them in this account anyway. I plan on holding them for 12 to 24 months anyway. So I'm not really concerned with what they're doing in the short term. You know, what they're doing this week or next week doesn't really matter to me, because I'm in them for the long term anyway. And if they go up quicker than I expected, you know, that's a bonus, but it's not expected. So ChargePoint, I have $1,600 in them. We're up 19%. one of my bigger winners that are one of my newest positions. That's a bigger winner. As you can see, I already made $1,100 on Revolve that we went over earlier in this video, and Kirkland and some of those other stocks. But as far as my newer positions, Tattooed Chef and ChargePoint, the two ones that I was the most bullish on, and my two favorite positions, as you can see, I loaded up on them very, very heavily. ChargePoint, $1,600, very heavy loaded. Tattooed Chef, $3,000. That's basically like, what, 10% or 15% of this whole account, my Webull account, just in Tattooed Chef. We're up $400, but I'm planning on holding them because I think that we can go up 30, 40% and make a large amount on Tattooed Chef. That's why I have a large amount in Tattooed Chef, is because I believe in them long term, 12 to 24 months. Now, after that, you have Neo that we kind of skipped over, up 12%. Plan on holding that for long term. CRSR is one that I've loaded up on, and they haven't made the upward movements that and guys, by the way, if you're looking at my account and you see like Corsair Gaming, I'm only up 3%. This is a stock that you might want to hop in because I'm only up 3%. And these stocks that I have in this account here, I plan on getting at least 30 to 40% gains. So CRSR is a good one to look into. TDOC's a good one to look into. You can get in at a great price. GNOG's a good one to look into. BABA's a good one to look into. Coinbase is a good one to look into. So those are some of the best ones. If you made it this far in the video, smash a thumbs up and comment below which out of those ones I just listed off are your favorite. We have Coinbase is a great stock to look into. BABA is a good stock to look into. GNOG, TDOC, and CRSR are the ones that I am talking about. So those are some of the best ones in my opinion that I want to be loading up more in, because I plan on making a lot of money on those stocks and I haven't made much money yet from them. So it might be a good entry point for some of you guys or something to consider. XPEV, we're up 13%, $150. Beyond Meat, we're up 17%, $355. I have $2,400 in Beyond Meat in my Webull account. So I have a lot of money in Beyond Meat and Tattooed Chef in the protein competitor, plant-based protein industry. 12% on Apple, and then, so this is my older positions. If you guys have been following me for a while, like all these stocks we just went over so far are my newer positions. You guys probably remember a lot of these. But now we're going to get into some of my older positions. And if you're a long-term subscriber, you probably made money on these positions by following me for long-term too. So the first one up is Slack Technologies, up 71%. Up 71%, $344. Bank of America, up 77%. We also sold, we took profits on about $264 already. Upwork was a great one that we made money on, up 219% on Upwork, and we already took so much profits, $589 of profits that we already took on Upwork, and we still have $91 left. After that, we have Wells Fargo, up 100% on Wells Fargo. And if you guys are my long-term subscribers, you remember how much I was telling you guys. I was like, you better buy Wells Fargo. It's at a 25-year low. Can you believe that? When I bought Wells Fargo and we made this video, it wasn't even that long ago. It was like last year, October, and it was at a 25-year low. That one was definitely some easy money for the stock market. Wells Fargo was some easy money. Cruise, Cirrus Logic, I want to probably add some more positions too. I think I already took a lot of profits. Yeah, I already took $274 of Cruise on profits. Dropbox, we're up $600, up 50% almost. I already took a lot of profits. I already took $215 of profits, but we still have $1,800 in Dropbox. And if you remember Dropbox, we were loading up very heavily on Dropbox and JWN at one point. But look how much profits I already took on JWN. Over $1,000 on profits, and I still have $275 left. And because we were up 161% on JWN, Dropbox is only up 46%. But I'm probably going to consider actually taking some profits, pretty soon on Dropbox because I have a larger position, and these are some older positions too. But the main thing I'm waiting for is the year, 12-month hold. So that's why you'll see all of these. I usually sell after 12 months. This one's coming up. I bought this one in July 6th, so I can sell my cheesecake soon. Looking forward to selling that up 160%. And this one we bought end of July, Tapestry. So look forward to selling off the rest of my Tapestry, cheesecake, JWN. When did I buy this? Yeah, I have to wait a little bit longer for my JWN. But Tapestry and cheesecake are coming up soon. So look forward to selling those after 12 months. And that's the thing about holding for 12 months. Some of these positions, when you're buying the dip, look at these. These are 8 months hold, up 160%, up 215%, 161%, 100%, 221%. So that's what's good about long-term holding, is that people think that you make slow money long-term holding, but in reality, it's the safer way to go. And I personally always make money long-term holding, and have always made the most money in my long-term holding accounts, up $10,000 and only with a $21,000 account. So that speaks volume right there. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. That wraps up the video. If you guys like my Webull updates and you want more Webull updates, let me know. Comment below. If it bored you and you didn't really like this video, also let me know on the comments below and say we like Robinhood better, or however you want to let me know. All right, guys, share this video with a friend if you kind of like how I went over each stock, showed you what I was making money on, how it benefits me and my plans kind of for the future. Also, if you watched the middle part of the video and didn't skip around, you know what stocks that I'm recommending adding money to, the add money to plays in this video. Also, if you want to join Webull and get 2 free stocks, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to send you my link, and I'll also send you $5 extra through Venmo or Cash App if you use my link and you want to get Webull. So that's just free money waiting for you guys. So go ahead and DM me now as soon as this video ends. And if you want more one-on-one help, or to get to the next level, or if your accounts don't look like mine and you're not making thousands of dollars yet on your accounts, or if you're even negative on your accounts overall, reach out to me. I have great programs. I have one-on-one programs, and I also have video coaching programs too. And if you're an options trader, I even have a promotion, $100 off my options training course right now also. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.